Think about the car rides you have with your kids. Do you use that time mindfully? Let me tell you about that drive to and from the studio, or you and your child, and how to harvest that time. As a mama of two growing teenagers, I am savoring the time I get to have with them. Some of my deepest conversations with my children happen in the car. Ask questions. What are you doing? What are you learning? Get into their world. It also gives them the opportunity to get into my world and ask me about how my day was and how I'm doing. And that, mama, that's a heart swell. If you had a bad day, tell them about it. You're teaching them how to hold space for you and to allow other people to hold space for them. With all the technology and distractions we have in today's world, those car rides are super important. I savor those car rides with my son to and from school, with my daughter to and from the barn. These are moments that I have just them. So I asked my kids, can you put your phone away? I turn the music down low and we have a conversation. Sometimes we turn the music up real loud and have a singing fun dance session in the car. Sometimes when we're all in the car, we'll play a game. The bonds that are made in these car rides are super, super special. They'll be driving before you know it, and you'll have less and less one-on-one time with them. So harvest it, mama. Really enjoy those car rides because they're not going to last forever.